Hi viewers, welcome back to KPMK videos. Today our topic is remove duplication data. Okay, we have the two scenarios here. Okay, first scenario now we can discuss. Okay, we have the duplication data from B column. Okay, already I have highlighted the same duplicates here. Okay, 1001 4 times are there, 1006 2 times are there, 100 2 times are there. Okay, and just press on Alt AM. Okay, this shortcut for remove duplication data. Okay, once you click on Alt AM, you will get the small window pop up. In that window, column names also will be reflect. Okay, you have the multiple columns here. Okay, that is also will be reflecting in this window, that column names. Okay, now we have the only one column, that is product code. Okay, already it's selected. Okay, here another window scenario also is there, that is select all and unselect all. Okay, if you unselect all will be unselected, whatever reflecting in this pop-up column names. Okay, if you select all will be selected. Okay, if you have any particular selection, you can also select like that only. Okay, now only one column we have, product code, already it's selected. Just I am clicking on OK. See here. Okay, automatically duplications are removed. Okay, now 5 duplications value found and removed. Okay, remaining is reflecting in here, that is also unique entries. Okay, this is the first scenario. And second scenario, we have second scenario also. Second scenario is okay, multiple columns with now we have the two columns. Okay, in column B product code, in column C product name. Okay, suppose here if you apply Alt AM, okay, again you will get the same window here, remove duplicates. Okay, automatically headers also will be reflecting in here, column names. Okay, and if you select whatever columns are reflecting, okay, just click on OK, then system will be removed automatically duplication data from this sheet. Okay, here scenario is, I am telling you, already I clicked on OK, then we have the here pop-up. See, from column B still 1001 is there 3 times. Okay, because from B column 1001 is duplication, but no duplication from C column against 1001. Okay, whenever you have the multiple column scenario, system will check the entire row. Okay, if here see from two row, okay, second row, okay, 1001 Santur is there. In fifth row 1001 Medimix is there. Okay, both are not matching. Same like that, eighth row also it's not matching. 1001 organic is there. That's why it did not remove these entries, 1001 entries. Okay, whenever you have selected the all columns, okay, automatically system will check entire row. If it is matching, has a duplication, automatically it will be removed. If it is not matching, then it will stay here. Okay, this is the one scenario. Okay, and suppose here see, I am clicking on Control Z. Okay, here see, 1006 is there, Himalaya. Okay, here 1006 is there, Himalaya. That's why one entry was removed. Okay, again I have clicked on Control Z. That's why it's again if it's reflecting in sheet. Okay, same scenario it will be applying here. See, 1001 Santur is there. Okay, in 12th row also 1001 Santur is there. That's why one entry was removed. Okay, Alt AM. Okay, clicking on here. Okay, here see, one entry from 1006, one entry from 1001, it's removed. Before 1001 4 times are there, now it's 3 times is reflecting. Okay, and another scenario is, I am clicking on again Control Z. Okay, another thing, Alt AM. Okay, if I click on only product code, okay, I am removing product name from this selection. Okay, then what will happen we will see. Okay, just I am clicking on OK. See here. Okay, I was selected only 1001 from B column. Okay, that's why sorry, I was selected on only product code from that window. That's why only 1001 duplications was removed. Okay, irrespective of against the 1001 product names. Okay, I hope you have understood this scenario. Okay, product code against a product code, whatever is there, product name, that is did not checked because I was select only product code column only. Okay, that's why system was checked, Excel was checked only product code column, whatever duplications are there, only that was entire removed. Okay, see 100 one time is there, remaining all are okay removed, and 1006 was removed and 1008 was removed. Only now only in from B column unique product codes are there. Okay, total system did not check product names. Okay, because I did not select the product name column. Okay, if you select all columns, system will check entire row. If it is matching, duplications will be removed. If it is not matching, okay, it will not removed. Okay, if you select any particular column, only system will check that particular column. Then if any duplications find out from that particular column, okay, system will remove entire row irrespective of any data. Okay, this is the scenario. Please check whenever you are applying remove duplication option, otherwise data will be gone. Okay, I hope you have understood this scenario, two scenarios. Okay, if you have any doubts, just comment on this video.